So a very warm welcome to my new vlog. My name is Tiziana and right now I am in the south of France. And there's a special reason why I'm here, because I'm visiting a friend and I haven't seen her in a month, so this is going to be really exciting. I'm staying in the city of Arles, which is a very cute city, but I'll tell you more about it later on. And the plan for today is very simple. So first of all, I need to get breakfast. Let's go! First of all, this is really good, and second of all, this city is so cute. I'm so in love. So I'm at the bus stop right now because this afternoon I'm going to Saint-Marie-de-la-Mer, which is a seafront village, and this is where I'm going to meet my friend, and I'm really excited, first of all to see her, and second of all because the town should be very cute. Welcome to Saint-Marie-de-la-Mer. Everything here is just so much smaller, like you really get the vibe of a seafront town. It's just so cute. Okay, that's it with the beach content for now, because now it is time to meet my friend and I'm so excited. We are reunited! It's been 1 month, and you know what's great when you're with a local? Okay. Is that they have crazy facts. And I just learned that this thing behind me, this is a security zone, because apparently here are bulls walking around at certain times. And when you see one, you can just jump into one of these things like that, and then you're safe. If this isn't the weirdest fact ever, I don't even know. But be aware, if you come here, you could meet a bull and you need to run to security zone. So we are back in Arles and we are making our way to the Airbnb to put down our stuff. The light is just so perfect right now. I'm so in love with this town. So pretty. But yes, we are back in Arles and are enjoying our evening. So behind these doors, this is the Espace Van Gogh, and it's like where Van Gogh lived when he was in Arles. It has multiple very famous paintings from this place. You may recognize Arles from his paintings. At least it was like that for me, because I thought I know this place because I've seen it in his paintings and I love Van Gogh so much, so this is like so special. Very special place. It's called Café La Nuit, and it's also famous as the Van Gogh Café because it is a cafe that Van Gogh painted in one of his paintings, and it's really beautiful, and you can come and visit it and eat over here, and that's what we are doing. Very Van Gogh themed, which is so nice. It's just really cool. Just quickly move places because we wanted to get a dessert. And here's the review of the Van Gogh Cafe. So basically we think that it's a little bit overpriced. Well, not a little bit, it is overpriced. but the food was really good. So we had pasta with vegetables. I really liked it. So I think it's worth to go, also just for the experience, but be prepared that the prices there are just a little bit higher than anywhere else over here. And with that, see you tomorrow! Good morning and welcome to this new city that we are visiting today. We are in Avignon. Nice. And since we did not have a lot of time to do research on what you can see over here, Sally knows the city a little bit, but we got a map, and this map is full with tips what you can do over here, and it has some walking paths that you can take, and that's basically what we're doing, taking a little walking tour around the city to see some of the main sites. And this is our plan. And also I'm trusting on her local guiding skills, because I don't think I ever came to a trip so unprepared like this one. So all the trust is on you. So we just spent some time walking around in the city center of Avignon, and we have to say we really like the city. It has really cute streets, cute shops, and it was also the residence of the Pope in the medieval times. So it has lots of cool buildings, and it's really nice to stroll around and eat something, and I think we had a really great time in Avignon. And now we are making our way back to Arles, and the plan is to visit the Van Gogh Museum. I've already talked about it. Van Gogh has had a huge influence on Arles, so we're going to visit the Van Gogh Foundation, and that's about it for today. Welcome to the Van Gogh Foundation. Okay, so a quick review on the Van Gogh Foundation. Well, it turned out that actually they only had 2 paintings of Van Gogh, which is a little bit sad, I think, but we only paid like €3 as students to get in, so what did we expect? Yes, they only have 2 paintings of Van Gogh, which is not a lot, and also the rest, it's kind of small, but it was really nice, so it's totally worth going in, especially on a hot day. It was really cool. And right now we are at the famous garden, which was also featured in one of Van Gogh's paintings. Many people come to visit it because it is really beautiful. Einmal winken. Mach ich. Okay, so Selim has just left, and now I'm back on my own, which means I have to figure out what I'm supposed to do on my own. It is the next day, and this is my last day in the south of France. And today I'm making my way back to Montpellier to explore the city. And for now I'm leaving my very cute Airbnb and head to Montpellier. So let's go. Only in a few hours, which means that I have a whole afternoon to spend here in Montpellier and romanticize my life while listening to music and exploring this absolutely gorgeous town. So I am on my way back to the train station, and that means that this trip is slowly coming to an end. My favorite city ever from these cities that we visited was definitely Arles. I really loved it. But for now it's time to say goodbye to the south of France. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, and see you in the next one. Bye!